Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks, my friend. I bet you never thought of putting carpet deodorizer into your toilet. Wouldn't you want your entire bathroom and your toilet to smell like fresh, clean linen? Yes, please. This is my favorite smell, by the way. Not only is this going to make your toilet smell fresher, but it's going to make it squeaky clean with a little combination that I'm going to show you here. I also have some bonus tips for you once I show you a little something. Now you're looking at my toilet and you're like, Andrea, that's pretty clean. But can you see the pinkish ring right around here? Let's see if my camera will pick it up around. There we go. So if you have toilet stains, this is definitely something that you want to try. You can also see down in there, it's a little bit dark and dingy, but this is particularly bothersome. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to take some white vinegar. You may have seen this combination of baking soda and vinegar in your toilet. My friend, one of the main ingredients in here is what? Baking soda? Yes, although it smells better. So we're going to take a little vinegar here and we're going to make a little cocktail inside of our toilet. Next thing we're going to do, especially if you do not like the smell of vinegar, although it does dissipate rather quickly, you're going to take your carpet deodorizer. You can use as much or as little as you prefer. I'm almost out of this, so I'm just going to use a little bit because I do want to show you an additional trick here in just a second. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my toilet brush. I want to get this in and around all up in here, and then we're going to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes. You're going to want to let this sit longer depending upon the severity of staining in your this right now smells so good. I know, who knew? Your toilet, I mean, you could use floral scent, you could use basically anything that you want. Time to give this a good old flush here. You can see pink ring, no more, and my entire bathroom smells delicious. All right, here are a couple tips and tricks, especially if you have a mildew smell in your bathroom or mold. Look at this right here. Dampness and mildew odors. Yes, of course you do want to kill the mildew that's likely coming from your shower. So you can just use this on a regular basis. Just sprinkle a little bit in your toilet and then go about your merry day. Just let it sit in there, let it marinate in there, and your whole bathroom is gonna smell delicious, like fresh linen. Your company's gonna come and they're gonna say, girl, why does your bathroom smell so good? Where are these fresh sheets? I don't see any. And they'll never know your secret unless you tell them or share this video with them. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments box below if you have tried this before. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. And I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.